Hi, I'm David Vicknair with Scott Vicknair Injury Lawyers, and we had a submission online requesting that we answer the question, if a third party is affected by the injury and damages sustained by a caretaker, can they make a claim against the other person for the caretaker's injuries and how that's affected them? As I understand the question, probably not, but what I'd like to do is walk through the classes of individuals who could potentially classify to make claims in these types of situations. One are what we call lejeune damage claimants, meaning people who would fit under the classification of a Louisiana Supreme Court case called Lejeune versus Rain Hospital, and those clearly and closely defined in Louisiana Civil Code Article 2315.6, which allows for bystander witnesses who witness a brother, parent, grandparent, or child be injured. They can make a claim for emotional distress as a lejeune damage claimant. That's one potential position that a third party could make a claim. A second is a loss of consortium claim. So if you have a loved one, a wife or a husband who is injured in a motor vehicle collision, you can make what's called a loss of consortium claim for loss of household support, love and affection in that tort case. And many times we represent people whose husbands or wives are making derivative consortium claims because of loss of close familial affection, loss of household support, damages of those types. And so those are two that typically would always classify somebody to sit in and be able to make what I would call an ancillary or bystander potential claim in a tort case in Louisiana law. Typically, if I understand the hypothesis which was proposed to be, I am disabled or have a long-term disability, my caretaker who takes care of me is injured in a motor vehicle collision and it affects my care, can I then make a claim against the tortfeasor who hit the caretaker? And the answer is probably not. Unfortunately, Louisiana law probably would classify that as too attenuated unless there was some level of close familial relation which could potentially classify you in another position to make that claim. If you have a claim like this or any others and any other questions, please give us a call at Scott Vicknair Injury Lawyers, 504-500-1111. We'd love to take a look at your claim and give you a free consultation so that me and my team can help you and your family fight for the win.
Scott Vicknair, injury attorneys, we fight for the win.